Hey guys, so I want to do a quick unboxing of what the Apple Series 6 44 millimeter looks like. As you can see, I already got started. It comes with a couple of, regular how-tos and how they usually come out with. What to do when you first get it. This is the original boxing to it. Comes with its own band, basic stock. But I actually ended up getting the Catalyst case. It's drop proof. It says it's like, I want to say it says it's 9.9 feet drop proof. I don't know, probably I guess you're falling from 9 feet or something like that. Your wrist is. But that's really how it looks like. The back actually looks pretty glossy, shiny. It's not charged. I gotta put that on a charger. Obviously, I'm gonna use the charger that they provide. Let me see if I can actually get this open with one hand. Let me see. Give me 1 second. Again, this is just a little quick unboxing. I haven't gotten time to play with it. This is the 44 millimeter with cellular installed. Cool thing about this table that actually has a USB connection on the side. So I'll go ahead and connect that. There it goes. Let's see. So I'll get back to you guys right when it turns on. All right, guys. So I played with it for a bit, and it's actually pretty cool. I like it. I like the new band it comes with. I haven't opened up the original band just yet, but I think I'm gonna keep that in the box for a little bit. But I'll definitely be putting up some updates. Hopefully, I answer some of your questions if you guys have any, or if you guys like this video, please leave a like down below. Please subscribe, put a notification bell too. But yeah, definitely. So far so good. I love this Apple Series 6 watch. Next video is definitely gonna be my cooler that I have here. Not my cooler, my mini fridge that I have, my smart table. So hope to see you guys soon. Please subscribe. Thank you.